Good morning! This is Mama Shirley from Ang Sarap Grabe. Ngayong araw na ito ay gagawa na naman tayo ng super sarap na kainin din sa tag-ulan. Ito ay homemade na pandesal. Super soft nito, promise. Makikita ang exact measurement sa dulo ng ating video.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there,
ito sa isa siya guys, makikita nyo na medyo lumanakit yung ating mixture. Okay lang yan at ito ay normal. Huwag na tayong lalagay ng flour kasi yung eksaktong measurement na nilagay natin. So later on, habang tayo yung nag-need, ay magiging smooth naman yung ating dough at may iwasan talaga na tumigas at magiging malambot pa ang ating pandesal later on.
I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you.
So ito guys, ang total weight niya ay 615 grams. I-divide ko siya sa 24 pieces na pandesal. So kada isang dough na gagawin natin ay dapat 25 grams each siya.
Losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. 'Cause every time you pass me by, I fall in love. I fall in love.
Again, keep this in warm place kahit wala ng towel sa top or kahit wala ng takip for 1 hour o hanggang sa magdoble na ang size ng ating dough. Habang tayo ay naghihintay at ang ating pinakahihintay na BTS! Batian Time Section. And guys, at nagdoble na rin yung size ng ating pandesal. It's time to bake sa napreheat na nating oven na 180 degrees Celsius.
All of the things that I wish I could tell you every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I still breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. Ooh, there's something about you, I wish you were mine.
And now it's done! Our soft, homemade pandesal.
Ito guys, pwede siya ibenta. Nakabili ako ng ganitong ziplock na transparent yung kanyang needle. So, pwede nyo naman kung saan, kahit saan nyo ilagay po pwede. Kung saan kayo makakamura. So, pasensya na kung hindi ko maibigay yung eksaktong ating selling price kasi iba't ibang lugar, iba't iba yung presyo. Kung ano na yung na-compute nyo, po pwede na yun. I-double, i-times 100 na lang. Yan siya. Yan siya guys, ang fit-fit niya. Yan. Ito nga pala tumatagal. Ilagay nyo kung sa for mali consumption, pwede nyo siya ilagay sa garapon, takpan nyo lang. At tatagal to ng mga 4 to 5 days. Ito lang yung ating garapon. Nilagay ko siya ng towel kasi mainit pa ng konti. Para yung moist ito, para yung moist ito kasi di ba nagtutubig. So para iwas din na matubigan yung ating pandesal, ginaganyan ko siya. Ayan, malambot pa rin siya kahit 3 days to 4 days. Yan, ganyan lang siya.
Ayan po guys, kung gusto niyo ma-shoutout dito sa ating channel, pakitype na lang, shoutout para madali ko kayo makita. Ayan po guys, be safe, be healthy, and be happy. Bye guys! Bye, bye, bye!